Hi and welcome to another video. Today we're going to be focusing on making a healthy bowl of oats. If you are new to this channel, please feel free to like and subscribe for more content like this, as well as please feel free to leave any comments for future videos, suggestions that you might want to see. So basically what we are gonna need is just oats, some toppings, a bit of boiling water, and that's about it. The reason why I chose this is because oats is a complex carbohydrate, which means it's high in natural sugars, and therefore it takes longer to digest, as well as the glycemic level for oats is 2, which is very healthy, and this keeps you full for longer, and it's very nutritious. Okay, so this is basically what we're gonna need. We're gonna need some oats, some sugar if you want sugar, so some peanut butter for flavor, whey protein, and hot water. Okay, so I've got about 20 grams of oats in here according to my calorie intake needs. This is what I would need in terms of oats to sustain my body. It's just about 20 grams. What we're going to do next is just going to mix some hot water in there and just cook it a bit in the microwave to make sure that it's fully cooked. Okay, so I measured out about 20 grams, since this is what my body needs, and it's according to my calorie intake that I need. So what I'm going to do next is I'm going to mix some hot water with it and cook it a bit in the microwave to ensure that it's fully cooked and none of the nutrition is going to be lost. Okay, so while that's cooking away, I just made myself a cup of green tea to accommodate my oats. Green tea helps a lot with digestion and getting your metabolism going in the morning. Next, what we need to do after the oats have been cooked, we are going to add in some whey protein. So I'm just going to be adding 1 scoop, that's about 20 grams. This whey protein enables you to recover quicker from training exercise. It helps muscle growth, it keeps you full for longer, and it just changes the taste a bit as well, so that's nice. What I'm going to do next is I'm just going to add a tablespoon of peanut butter. Peanut butter is a bit more calorie dense, but it helps with the taste and as well as getting in good fats. And then I'm just going to finish it off with a bit of dyed sugar, as well as a banana that's cut up. So that's all of the ingredients that I needed for this healthy bowl of oats. If you liked this video, please feel free to leave a comment on more suggestions for future videos, as well as feel free to subscribe to my channel for more videos with regards to healthy meals and fitness content.